Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you like this content, check out some of our other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. If you have wooden backyard furniture that has been sitting in the garage or even covered on your patio all winter long, it's probably covered with dirt, mold, and lots of other nasty stuff. With a few simple steps, you can restore that furniture to look like new so you can enjoy it all summer long. All you'll need are gloves, a scrub brush, bucket, sponge, a garden hose. If you want to make a do-it-yourself solution, you will also need a mild detergent like dish soap and vinegar. Now let's clean some furniture. Step 1. Use a dry brush or broom to brush off loose dirt and mildew. Step 2. Mix 1 cup white vinegar, 3 cups warm water, 1 to 2 teaspoons mild liquid soap, like dish soap or Castile soap. Mix well in a bucket or spray bottle. Avoid overdoing the soap. Too much can leave a sticky residue on the wood. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons is enough to help break up grease and mildew without causing buildup. If you prefer, you can purchase a store-bought solution, but vinegar will penetrate the wood and kill mold and mildew at its core, and this do-it-yourself method will save you money. Step 3. Using a soft brush or sponge, work in sections, scrubbing the surface. Step 4. Use a garden hose, not a pressure washer, and rinse thoroughly. Step 5. Pat with towels and place in the sun to dry completely. Extra tips. To prevent mildew from coming back, you may want to use a sealant. When using a sealant, pick a sunny day to help speed up drying and prevent new mildew from forming. Avoid rainy or humid days, as moisture can linger on the wood. Ideal temperatures are around 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't place sealants, oils, or finishes in heat over 85 degrees Fahrenheit, or you may cause uneven absorption, leave streaks or sticky spots, reduce overall durability. If you must work on a hot day, clean in the morning or late afternoon when it's cooler. Work in a shaded area if possible. If you're shopping for outdoor wood furniture and want to avoid constant battles with mold or mildew, here are a few things to look for. Number 1, choose naturally mildew-resistant woods. Some wood types are naturally more resistant to moisture, decay, and mildew. Teak, one of the best, contains natural oils that resist moisture. Eucalyptus, dense, durable, and less prone to mildew. Cedar naturally resists decay and has a pleasant scent. Acacia, affordable and moderately resistant, but needs regular care. Number 2, avoid soft woods like pine unless they're pressure treated or sealed, as they absorb moisture more easily. Number 3, check if the furniture comes pre-sealed or treated with an outdoor wood finish or oil. Number 4, go for slatted or well-ventilated designs that allows air to flow, helping surfaces dry quickly after rain or humidity. Number 5, check for rust-resistant hardware, stainless steel, brass, that won't corrode and cause moisture stains. Make sure joints and corners are well made so water doesn't pool in cracks. Number 6, consider synthetic or composite options. Some wood-look furniture mimic real wood, but are highly resistant to mildew, mold, and weather damage. Now, sit back and relax. Please note, All mentioned products are linked below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.